What if I told you that the key to skyrocketing your book sales on Amazon KDP isn't just about creating great content, but about mastering the invisible art of metadata? This video will dive into the world of metadata, which is the secret sauce that can make or break your book's success on Amazon. The first teachable moment is what I like to call the metadata revelation. This is the story of Amy. Amy creates journals such as gratitude journals. One day, Amy stumbled upon the concept of metadata. That's when she asked her tech-savvy friend Tom, "Isn't that some geeky computer stuff?" Tom chuckled. "Oh, Amy, you see, metadata is like the DNA of your book in a digital world. It's all the information that describes your book, the title, author name, descriptions, keywords, the categories. You see, Amazon uses this data to decide when and where to show your book to potential readers." Amy's eyes widened. "You mean, even if I've written the next Harry Potter, it won't matter if my metadata is poor?" "Exactly," Tom nodded. "Think of metadata as the breadcrumbs that lead readers to your book in a vast forest of Amazon's catalogue." From that day on, Amy treated her metadata with the same care she gave creating her book. Within months, her sales began to climb and she never looked back. So the key takeaways for you is, metadata is crucial for discoverability on Amazon. It includes all descriptive information about your book. Good metadata can significantly boost your book's visibility and sales. Now that we understand what metadata is, let's explore its components and how to optimize them. The next teachable moment is what I like to call the metadata maestro. This is the story of Alex, a self-help author who thought he had his metadata game on point. However, Alex's sales didn't match what he thought. This is where Maya enters the equation. Maya is known as the metadata maestro. "Alex," Maya said, peering at his KDP dashboard, "you're missing out on so many opportunities there." "But I filled out all the fields," Alex protested. Maya shook her head. "It's not just about filling fields, it's about optimizing every component." Let's start with Amazon's autocomplete feature. You see, when you start to type in search terms in Amazon's search bar, Amazon will automatically complete the search term for you. Use these search terms because these are popular search terms that people have searched for previously on Amazon. Also, the higher up the search term is, the more times it's been searched on Amazon. So your job is to put those search terms throughout your metadata, but remember to make it sound natural. Also, use those search terms and put them in the keyword section when you're uploading your A+ content. For instance, Alex was fascinated by what Maya was telling him. "So I should stuff keywords everywhere?" asked Alex. No, Maya laughed. "It's about balance. Use them wisely in your title, subtitle, description, and even in your author bio. The key is to trigger Amazon's algorithm without sounding robotic." Over the next few weeks, Alex and Maya refined his metadata. They crafted compelling descriptions, chose strategic keywords, and even optimized his author profile. And the result was, Alex's book started appearing in more searches and his sales doubled in just a month. So the key takeaways for you is, optimize all components of your metadata: title, subtitle, descriptions, keywords, author bio, A+ content. Use Amazon's autocomplete to find popular search terms. Incorporate keywords naturally throughout your metadata. Balance algorithm-friendly content with reader-friendly language. If these insights are sparking your interest, imagine having a complete roadmap to KDP Success at your fingertips. My course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP, is that roadmap. Click the top link in the description to get started. Let's dive into the art of crafting compelling metadata. The next teachable moment is what I like to call the copywriting conundrum. This is the story of Madison, a creator of activity books for children. Struggling to write effective metadata, Madison knew her books were engaging, but her bland descriptions and generic keywords weren't doing them justice. One day she attended a publishing workshop where she met Ethan, a veteran copywriter. "Madison," Ethan said, reviewing her book listing, "your metadata needs to tell a story, just like your activity books do." "But it's just a description and some keywords," Madison replied, confused. Ethan smiled. "Copywriting is the art of writing text for the purpose of advertising or marketing. Your metadata is your book's advertisement on Amazon." He introduced Madison to tried and tested copywriting frameworks like AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action, and PASS, problem, agitation, solution. They spent hours crafting a compelling book descriptions that hook parents and educators from the first line. Remember, Ethan advised your metadata should make readers feel the excitement and educational value of your activity books. It should make them need to click that buy now button. Madison applied these principles to her metadata, and within weeks, her books climbed the ranks in the children's activity book category. So the key takeaways for you as a self-published author is: treat your metadata as advertising copy. Use copywriting frameworks like ADA and PAS. Craft descriptions that evoke emotion and create urgency. Make readers feel the essence of your book throughout your metadata. Now that we've mastered the art of crafting metadata, let's explore how to use it to your advantage. The next teachable moment is what I like to call the metadata mastermind. This is the story of Raj, a non-fiction author who was struggling to stand out in a crowded market. He understood the basis of metadata, but Raj needed an edge. That's when he met Eleanor, the metadata mastermind. Raj, Eleanor said, you're thinking too small. Metadata isn't just about being found, it's about dominating your niche. She showed Raj how to use metadata to target specific reader demographics, tap into trending topics, and even counter position against bestsellers in his category. Look at your competitors, Eleanor advised. What keywords are they missing? What reader pain points are they overlooking? That's your opportunity. Raj was intrigued. They studied successful books in adjacent categories and even analyzed common questions in related online forums. Armed with these insights, Raj overhauled his metadata strategy. He niched down his keywords, refined his strategies and his categories, and rewrote his description to address specific reader challenges. The results are staggering. Within 3 months, Raj's book shot to the top of its category, outranking established bestsellers. So the key takeaway for you as a self-published author is: use metadata to target specific reader demographics and needs. Analyze competitors and find gaps in their metadata strategy. Tap into trending topics and common reader questions. Use metadata to position your book strategically within your niche. And there you have it, fellow authors, 4 illuminating stories that unveil the power of metadata in your KDP journey. Remember, in a vast ocean of books on Amazon, your metadata is your lighthouse, guiding readers to your shore. From understanding the basics with Amy, optimizing components with Alex, crafting compelling copy with Madison, to strategically dominating your niche with Raj, each story offers valuable lessons for your publishing success. Now, I have a question for you. Which aspect of metadata do you find most challenging in your KDP journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more concise, actionable KDP strategies designed for maximum learner retention. Empower your self-publishing journey with story-driven insights and gain a strategic advantage in your genre. Until next time.